Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to find the privacy and policy of the Capcut application on your iPhone. So most of every applications that created or invented, they will always have a privacy policy just to guarantee the user to be saved while using the applications. And now you just need to open the Capcut application, and to find the privacy and policy you just need to make sure that you are stay in the edit section. And now you just need to take a look on this upper sides here. There will be two options, this question mark and this symbol, and then you just need to go click to visit your settings and privacy. And then in these settings you just need to scrolling down until you found this privacy policy, and then you just need to go click it. And now the privacy and policy are ready to be read on your screen. Just need to understand everything that written on the screen. So that's the way how to find the privacy and policy of the Capcut application by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you on the next video.